Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay. Okay. Let me see. Google Monster, Saipa. Okay. Hello, Ken. MRCB, Theta. Oh, Theta today got volumes. Gamuda, CAMB, Senfeng, Skyward, WCE. Okay. Okay, hello, so King. Okay, SMRT, right? Yeah, and Econ Berhad, Comfort. Okay, no problem. Okay, let me see. Okay, hello, Jordan. Hello, Mike. Hello, Gary. Hello, Michael. Okay, hello, Patrick. Good evening. Hello, Grace. Okay, Eco West, Pine Pacific Berhad. Okay, Lim, KL Lim. Hello, how are you? Okay, so before that, please help me to click like and also share this link, okay, this live session to your social media or your group chat so we can get more viewers to tune in, okay? So let me see. Okay, VLB, is a trend still good? Okay, no problem. Later we review together. Okay, let's go for today agenda. Okay, we will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FPM KLCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support or resistance. Okay, and disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or are just for education purposes. Okay, for those who yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code, and yeah, if got any updates, I will announce in the channel. Okay. Okay, let's warm up first for the market outlook. Okay, so far US side is still bullish. Okay, as we can see last week they erased all the losses, okay, from previous week. Okay, seems like bull is still in control. Okay, and same with the S&P as well. And currently they already broke above 5640. Okay, this is a weekly chart. Okay, as we can see last week closing is very bullish. Okay, they erased almost 95% of previous week losses. Okay, seems like bull still got the strength to go up further until we see some signal lah. Okay, so far, if we see Monday, Tuesday, nothing much lah. Okay, because why? Okay, because market is pending for tonight FOMC. Okay, later, okay, 2 a.m. and 2:30 a.m. we do have the Fed rate. Okay, by right, market already expected a rate cut. Okay, 0.25 lah. Okay, unless more than that, then market will be very bullish. Okay, but less than that, market will be bearish. But within the expectation, I think most likely will be neutral. But most importantly is a 2:30 market. Okay, the press conference, whether in future they will cut gradually or they will cut more aggressively, or yeah, depends on what they say. So tomorrow morning is more important now. Okay, tomorrow morning we see how is the market closing. If they can close bullish, then I think our Bursa no problem lah. But if they can drop, okay, close bearish, like drop 200-300 points above, then not so good for our markets. Okay, same to the Nasdaq as well. They also erased previous week losses. Okay, looks like bull is still in control lah. Okay, based on daily chart, I still yet to see anything as market also sideways for a couple of days already. They are also wait for the rate. Okay, so whether breakout or breakdown tomorrow morning we will know lah. Okay, if breakdown, then Bursa market also will gonna affected. Okay, if breakout, then everyone happy lah. Okay, so next one is oil price. Okay, oil price on the other hand, okay, we can see they found a minor support at $68. This is a WTI. Okay, so last week closing a slightly bullish candle, weekly candle at $68. So my expectation is might rebound up to $72. Okay, 72, 75 is their resistance. So far, oil, in my opinion, is still bearish, and I expect based on last week closing, they may have some bounce up. Okay, how about the gold price? Okay, gold price is super bullish lah. Okay, last week already broke above 2527. Okay, which they already resisted for 3 weeks around here. Last week, a strong breakout. Okay, based on this movement, I think gold still got potential to visit higher, probably to 2006 or even higher. And how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin so far not really moved that much. So I expect they are more into sideways until maybe after tonight. Okay, we may see maybe rate cut or what. Okay, they might spike out or what. Okay, so far I would say they are more into the sideways zone. Okay, same to the Ethereum. not really much movement. Okay, if based on the momentum, they are more favored to the bear. Okay, for crypto market, they are more favored to the bear. Okay, if we want to compare, I think Bitcoin is slightly stronger lah. Okay, and lastly is our FBMK LCI. Last week closed neutral. Okay, so far 1640 is supported. Okay, based on daily point of view, we can see. Okay, Monday no market Tuesday. Okay, yesterday market open gap out sikit. So far they reclaim back above 20 MA. Okay, so far 1650 is supported. Okay, so long they are above 1650, short term momentum should be fine, and they do have potential to retest 1680, 165. Sorry, 1680, 1685. Okay, so far our KLCI is still in the strong bull lah. Okay, still quite bullish lah in my opinion. Okay, at least they recently recover back above 20 MA. Short term wise, they are still good. Okay, until we see some bearish price action lah. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, so before that, please help us to click like and also share this link. Okay, let's go for our first one. Review Inta. Inta, okay, not much volume recovery, but structure point of view, Inta is still in the uptrending lah. Okay, since August until now, they are last year August 2023 until now. Okay, so consider they are in the uptrending, and yeah, despite back in beginning of August, they do have a smash down. Okay, price still able to recover back above 43 cents. Okay, then today they recover back above 480. So far we can see recently not much volumes, but the structure point of view, I would say they are still okay. And take note on their crucial resistance 520 and 510. Okay, because they tested 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, tested 3 to 4 times already, unable to clear. Okay, this is the resistance you must take note. Okay, but momentum trend wise, they are still in the uptrend lah. Okay, how about KUB? Okay, KUB today volume improved. Okay, even though, okay, 5th of August, they have a strong sell. After that, they recover with a low volume. So far, we can see, okay, before today, they don't have much volumes. Okay, until today, at least KUB pump with volumes, okay, which is a good news for them lah. Okay, but also come with the they hitting the resistance 825. Okay, this is their resistance 825, 840. Okay, this is their resistance. Okay, so far trend point of view, they are still in the uptrending. Okay, just that they already pump and hit the resistance. Okay, 825, 840, and 880. Okay, this is the R1, R2, and yeah, I would say they are still all right. Just hit resistance. Okay, how about the SaiPark? Okay, SaiPark sell down for so many months already. Okay, the last time they had a strong sell was April, end of April. By looking at the bigger pictures, you can see 105, 110 is a strong resistance. 105, 110. Since 2023 February until now, you can see this is a this is a very strong hour for SaiPark. Okay, then yeah, ever since end of April until now, they have been in the downtrending. Okay, this one end of April, then already started to sell down lah. Okay, recently found a support at 620, which is a support back in 2023 June. Okay, so yeah, somehow they need to respect this level in my opinion. Okay, so by zooming in, we can see recently volume improved especially today volume improved better. Okay, so what we can see here do have a convergence. Okay, market volumes go up, price also goes up. So looks like short-term point of view, they do have some potential for bouncing up. Okay, but in the mid to long term, this counter is still in a downtrending. So today they do attempt, okay, maybe we can put the last support, okay, immediate support 645. If the price able to stay above 645, I guess, okay, they do have potential to pull up a little bit more, maybe to 705. Okay, so in my opinion, I think, yeah, due to oversold as well, then yeah, they do have some potential for bouncing up. Okay, but in long run or midterm point of view, they are still pressured by the seller lah. Okay, MACD is still fine. So this one I would say, yeah, they do have chance. Okay, just we are against the trend more like the counter trend trade for this one. Okay, how about the MRCB? Okay, this one looks not too bad. Okay, looks not too bad. At least recently we can see the low is getting higher sikit. Okay, and the volume follow up. The volume follow up when they pump up. Okay, looks like not too bad. Okay, so long they are above 550, I would say chances is still there. But take note on the resistance now, 635650. And MACD point of view, yeah, momentum ada. So this one, yeah, I guess okay lah. Okay, this one, if not mistaken, previous live session we do mention 550 cannot break. So far, they only attempt one time lah, but the next day recover back. So looks like still alright. Okay, but take note on the overhead resistance 635650. Okay, how about the Gamuda? Okay, Gamuda is still fine. Okay, previously I do mention the strong resistance is a 770. Today they break out lah. Today they recover back. Closing price 780. Okay, previously I remember something happened. They open gap down on the next day, right? Gap down, close high. Okay, I do commented. Actually not that fearful at all lah. Okay, and today the price already go back. Okay, go back above 770 already. So far they are still in a good shape, although volume not that encouraging lah. Okay, tapi overall, okay, overall they are still good. At least they do have got the courage to recover back above 770. So I guess Gamuda is still alright. Okay, how about the CIMB? Okay, CIMB is still alright, tapi they hit one of my target, okay, which is a 838. Okay, this level, if not mistaken, I'm using the Fibonacci to do a projection, okay, which they already hit my first target, which is a 838, and the next target is a 860 lah. But so far, you can see they are still favored to the bull. If you want to set a trading stop, probably you can put at 820. So long the price above 820 should be alright for CIMB. Okay, how about the Senfeng? Senfeng. Okay, these counters, they do pull up back in. Okay, their trend started in last year September, but the bigger trend, okay, when they started to do a pump up is February. Okay, this year February. So they pump all the way to 130 until July lah. Okay, July have a healthy retracement in my opinion. Okay, so far you can see they just come down to Hello. Sorry, some technical issue. My PC suddenly on my PC suddenly turned into blue screen. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, apologize for that. Okay, so let's continue with the Shenfeng. Okay, so this one I talk halfway the screen turned blue so need to restart the PC. Okay, Shenfeng this one so far I see they are still in a good shape. So as we can see previously they do have a gap up here. So they come back to fill the gap, supported. So far 980 didn't break down. Okay, recently volume improved sikit lah. Okay, so today also pump up sikit. So I guess the overall structure is still okay, just that they not really move that much. Okay, they are still trading within the zone only lah. Okay, but momentum wise, I think they are still alright lah. Okay, so long they are above 980, they are still in a good shape. Okay, this one I think okay lah. Skyward. Okay, this one is a bearish downtrending counters. Okay, downtrend since day one. Okay, since IPO July 23, they already downtrend So even though back in March they do have a small trend okay, tapi back in August they already break down 200 MAs. Okay, recently some volume pump in we can see back in Friday. Okay, Friday they do have a hammer like candle with volumes. Okay, today as well. Okay, also got some volume at the bottom. So from here, maybe we can how to say guess maybe this is a potential rebound opportunity lah. Okay, just a rebound lah. I don't think they can go up too much lah. Okay, based on the hammer like candle, Tuesday mini hammer, and today with a uh bullish candle. Okay, with a slight higher volumes. Okay, MACD just wanted to cross over lah. So based on here, I guess they do have potential to test. Okay, maybe to test 530 and 555. Okay, so this will be R1, R2. If lucky, okay, next level 580. Okay, so if happen the price close below 50 cents, sorry lah, no game lah. The rebound is game over. Okay, so this one just a potential rebound trade based on the recent volumes. Okay, but overall you can see the trend is still favor to the bear. Okay, still favor to the bear. Okay, how about the WCE holding? Okay, WCE holding. Okay, so this one we can see volume detected back in 5th of August, 6th of August. Okay, tapi they not really jalan so sideways until 3rd of September they have another volume pump up. Okay, then retrace diam. Okay, yesterday volume pump up. So for this we can consider, okay, we can trade this as a down rebound counter, so rebounding counters. So take note on the resistance zone. Okay, this was a support turn into resistance. Okay, so this will be the R, okay, resistance zone for WCHB. So take note on 850, 875. Okay, this will be R, and also is nearby the 200 MAs lah. Okay, so 200 MAs is about 890, but I would say maybe we target somewhere around 850, 875. Okay, but if you still want to fight on, then you can set a trading stop. Probably you can set at 80 cents. So long they are above 80 cents, the rebound is still ongoing. Okay, this is a WCE, and next one is a SMRT. Smart. Okay, SMRT, I guess they are still alright. Just yet to show lah. Okay, yet to show something. So we can see even though they come out with the deep dive down, tapi the price is supported, bounce up, then they sideways. Okay, they already sideways for more than, should be more than a month already lah, back in August and then now. So for them to continue goes up, they need to break up. Okay, once they can break above 120, we may see something on the SMRT lah. On the other hand, if they break below 110, sorry lah, no game already, tak cantik already. Okay, so this one I would say still worth to monitor lah if you interested. Okay, then next one is Econ Berhad. Okay, this one still MACD okay. Tapi this one I would say give them some time. Okay, back in 30 of August, 2nd September, 3rd of September, they do have volumes. Tapi overall, okay, after that, after 3rd of September, the average volume not really improved. Okay, already more and more more on sideway. So this one I would say wait and see. Okay, but if you are interested, okay, maybe you tend on 415 or 410 like that lah. So long they are above 410, maybe it's still alright. With your cut loss, maybe you can put below 390. But I can see the overall average volumes is dropping lah. Okay, this is what I think lah. Okay, so even they can go up, they need to fill the gap. 460 is their immediate resistance. Okay, this is Econ Berhad. How about the comfortable? Okay, comfort lah. Okay, comfort. Okay, as we know, yesterday most of the glove counters they open gap up and some they also gap up a lot lah. So comfort is one of them. So we can see yesterday gap up, close high with high volumes. Okay, one of the good news is even though today sell down, okay, today is a bearish candle, tapi the volume is extremely low, so the chances is still there lah. Okay, tapi this one take note they are still below 200 MAs. So where's the 200 MAs? 450 lah. So this one probably you can take note on your immediate support 40 cents. Okay, tapi if they close below 40 cents, like they close like 390 or 385 okay, most likely not so nice. They may come back down to fill the gap. Okay, maybe they might go back down to 370. Okay, this is a comfort. Okay, MRCB, I think we covered already. Then my EG. Okay, my EG today got breakout, tapi macam not so successful lah. Okay, this is what this counter I also noticed yesterday lah. Okay, I didn't expect they break out so fast. Okay, so today they do pump out with volumes. Okay, tapi you can see the antenna is quite long. For me, not so successfully lah. Not so successful the breakout. Tapi if you're already in because of the breakout trade, so you turn on 940 and 920. Okay, if happen they close below, this would be a false breakout. Okay, so if we base on maybe 50-minute charts, what we can see. Okay, early morning, 9:30, they already started to pump out with volumes. Okay, 9:30, 9:45, 10 a.m. Tapi after 10 a.m., they started to do a profit-taking activities lah. Okay, especially 11, also high volume sell down. 11:15 as well. Okay, tapi they found a minor support. Okay, back in 2:30, which is at 940. So that's why I would say on 940, we take note 940, 920. If happen the next few days, okay, they happen can stay above 940, 920. Maybe the breakout still at that chance. Okay, if they close below, then this is a false breakout already lah. Okay, based on today closing, the chances of false breakout is higher. Okay, so how about the LHI? Okay, LHI yesterday pumped with volumes. Today more on neutral lah. But overall structure, in my opinion, LHI is still alright. Okay, still alright. So maybe you can take note on their next resistance, which is somewhere around 670. Okay, R1 and 70 cents, R2. Okay, this one overall they are still alright. Okay, they are still alright. Okay, how about Ecovest? Okay, Ecovest, I would say not much volumes. Okay, they are still in a bearish mood. Okay, even they rebounded up. You can see they rebound. Okay, tapi not much volume follow up lah. So for me, it's not so convinced. Okay, not so convinced me to participate lah. Okay, so if you are interested, okay, you take note on 340 as your last defense and your resistance 375. Okay, for me, not so convinced. You can see back then, even they bounce up, they also unable to go through 20 MA. So for me, they are still weak, and also not much volume participate in these counters yet. Okay, so I prefer wait for some volumes. Okay, how about the Pi Let me see. Pi. I think. Oh, Pi Pad. Okay. Okay. For these counters, if based on the technical point of view, I would just skip lah because of the liquidity. You can see not much volumes, not much transaction in these counters. Okay. Basically, technical point of view, memang nothing I can analyze lah. Okay, if I want to give a comment, I would say they are still in a bearish mood. Okay, weekly point of view, actually nothing much for this one. Okay, so maybe the most I can comment is support 280, resistance 405. They are just in the sideway. Okay, how about the KPJ? Oh, doing very well. This one. Okay, this counters is still in an uptrending mode. Recently breakout to ringgit. Closing price 208. Okay, so if entry, of course, no lah. Okay, because they already at a very high price. So for these counters, best if wait for them to have a retracement. Okay, how about the FFB? FFB is still good lah. Yeah, even though the movement is very slow and boring. Tapi the overall structure for FFB, I would say they are still in a good shape. So think on your immediate support, 166, 163. Okay, how about the Malak? Okay, Malak off. It's still fine, even though previous weeks, the candle most likely looks like a shooting star, a light candle. Okay, tapi yesterday closing not too bad. Today more on neutral. Okay, this one, so long they are above 880, I think I do commented before. So long above 880, they are still good lah, should be alright. And 10 on the overhead resistance, 1 ringgit and 105. Okay, this is a Malak off. Okay, my EG covered ready. So hello Anthony. Okay, comment on support resistance for US counters and ETF. Okay, alphabet lah. Let me see if I put a Google, I can find or not. Maybe. Okay, this one baru can. Okay, Google for these counters recently they recover back above 200 MAs. Okay, they are still short-term point of view, short-term to mid-term point of view, they are still bearish. Okay, recently just maybe due to oversold, they rebounded up. So, okay, what you want to see? Support and resistance. Okay, for the support, maybe I will use a 200 MA first, which is at 157. And support 2, I will use a 151.5. Okay, this is a R1, S1, S2. And for the resistance, 167, 170. Okay, this is tentatively the resistance for the Google lah. SPIY. Let me see. Should be this one, ETF. Okay, this one is still in a uptrending mood. Okay, so far so good. So support is a $50. Okay, no reference. So I need to agak already. $50. Okay, the resistance would be somewhere around 5250 for these counters. Okay, so SCHG. Large cap capital. Okay, this one, I feel they are more into a consolidation zone already lah. But so far, these counters, at least, this ETF, they are still in the uptrending. So I think it's still fine. 105.2 would be their resistance. Okay, for the support point of view, would be something somewhere around 93.7 or $94. Okay, hello Jordan. Okay, review HSI, no problem. Later, we go for the Brusa first. Go back Brusa. WMG. Let me see. Okay, here. Okay, uptrend since this year February. So 3rd of April got volume pump up. 3rd of September, 5th of September also got volume pump up. Then now more into the sideway. But so far, I would say they are still okay lah. Okay, still okay lah. Okay, so long they are above 50 cents, the overall structure should be alright. Okay. How about the VLB? Okay, VLB, despite they have a strong sell on 5th of September, okay, market still supported very well. Okay, 50 cents is still supported. Okay, market managed to pull up. Okay, the only little concern for me is a lack of volumes lah when they defend the price or pull the price up. Okay, the volume is not so follow up. Okay, so I would say just be careful sikit. Okay, because someone already attempt to sell down. Okay, just they try, maybe they want to defend and push up to sell more lah. Huh? So this one be careful sikit lah. Huh? So but if you're still interested, yeah, of course you still can watch out lah. Okay, 10 on 50 cents only. So long they are above 50 cents, should be okay. Tapi if one day they close below 50 cents memang no good already lah. Okay, and for the resistance point of view, 565 would be your R1 and R2 590. Okay, support 50 cents or 530 would be your immediate support lah. Okay, this one what I see lah, a bit fishy. Okay, tapi confirmation at 50 cents lah. Breakdown memang no good lah. Okay, let's go back to HSI. Okay, HSI for Jordan. Okay, so this one weekly point of view, at least we can see last week HSI tested 17K. Okay, I think today no HSI, right? Let me see. Yeah, today no HSI. So far, 17K is still supported. Okay, they really didn't break down. So yesterday closing is still alright. Okay, above 17.4. Okay, so this also subject to tonight US market. Okay, if happen US market can close bullish, okay, tomorrow HSI most likely will follow through lah. Maybe they might pump out to 18K or 18.2K. Tapi if tomorrow US market closing is bearish, okay, like maybe negative 300, 400 points, I think HSI might retest 17K or break below 17K. So I think the whole world is still waiting for the US market. Okay, so tomorrow is the day lah. Tomorrow morning lah when we wake up. Okay, how about the EG? EG, not much volume lately. Okay, not much volume lately. So support 180. Okay, attempt to sell down. Okay, but what I can comment is their immediate support is a 180. And short term a little bit weak. Okay, so 180, 170 would be your S1, S2. If they break below 180, I think not that strong lah. Okay, they may eventually go to 170 or 160 level. Okay, actually not much volume lately, so I guess most likely will sideways movement dulu lah. Okay, for Hata, okay, Hata yesterday open gap up, close neutral, okay, for the candle point of view lah. But for the performance is quite good lah, from 2 something to 3 something. And today open gap up, close lower. Tapi I would say the candle not much meaning. Okay, they are still in a neutral mood. Bull still will have some chance. Okay, so for these counters, okay, Hata 3 ringgit would be your immediate support. Okay, so long the price can hold well, okay, stay above 3 ringgit. I think they do have chance to retest a 350 or even higher. Tapi if they close below 3 ringgit, they may come back to test a support lah, maybe 280 or 278. Okay, so overall I would say macam still boleh, macam still boleh. Okay, VLB we covered. Okay, so how about Gintech? Gintech still in the sell mode. Okay, as mentioned earlier before, don't fight yet lah. Okay, we still yet to detect any bullish or reversal signal yet. Okay, yeah, even though you can see 2nd of September they got volume support lah, tapi also breakdown. 5th of September already breakdown. So now you can see they have a volume on 13th of September lah, this date. So maybe the support is around 80 cents. Okay, so if they close below 80 cents, they will have more downside lah. Okay, at the moment we can see the bear sentiment is still there, and I yet to detect any any chances lah. Okay, tapi if you die you want to try, then you take note on this candle lor, 80 cents. Okay, if they can stay, maybe got chance to pull up. Okay, to test a 990 level. Tapi if they close below 80 cents, you will see more downside on the Genitech. Okay, so for this you are against the trend and your success rate will be lower lah. Okay, VLB as commented, the trend is still alright. Okay, so as long as they didn't break below the level I mentioned, still okay lah. Okay, CCK recently got sell, Friday, Tuesday, and today. Okay, 3 days sell down with volume as well. So also deep wash, So review CCK, Renhill, and Senfen. Okay, Senfen we covered already, so we see CCK lah. So these 3 days got especially Tuesday and Wednesday, the volume is higher. Okay, so now they back to one of the support, which is a 160. Okay. Okay, bad news is they break below 20 and 50 MA lah. Good news is they back to 160. But I would say based on this sell down, the chances of breaking down below 160 is there. Okay, but I want to see whether they can reach 150 and get supported or not. If yes, then maybe good lah. Okay, consider a deeper correction to 100 MAs. Tapi if they break below 150, memang not so good. Okay, so far I expect they might revisit somewhere around 150. Okay, tapi if they break below, then not so strong. Okay, they may go to 13 something. Okay, tapi trend, okay. If we base on the bigger picture point of view, they do have some divergence lah, Here higher, here lower, here higher, here higher. Okay, a little bit divergence. So the confirmation is a 150. If really break down, not so nice lah. If they can come down and support it, chances is still there. Okay, this is a CCK. How about the Renhill? Okay, Renhill recently neutral, not much volume. MACD is still alright. Okay, they bounced from 200 MAs. Okay, by zooming in, the last time they had high volume was 5th of September. So already 2 weeks, no high volumes already lah. Okay, so they are more into a sideway. So for this Renhill, 120 is a crucial level. Stay above still alright. Okay, break below, memang no good lah. So tentatively, I would say they are more into sideway. Okay. Okay, how about the Sunrit? Okay, Sunrit is still alright lah. Entry, okay, no, okay, I cannot say entry. Okay, I can say the support, best support is somewhere around 160. Okay, if you have a chart, I mean, if you have any software, I mean the charts lah, okay, you can open the 20, 50, 100, and 200 MAs, okay, for these counters only, okay, the best opportunity is when they test 100 or 200 MAs. Okay, 100 MA tentatively is somewhere around 156. I think by the time should be somewhere around 158 already lah. So you can see based on the bigger trend point of view, if we zoom out the trend since 2021 until now, okay, the best opportunity is when they hit 200 MA, which is the orange line. Okay, when they visit 200 MAs or somewhere around there is an opportunity lah. Okay, so for current trend, recent trend, they are more likely to revisit 100 MAs. Okay, so this you need to wait lah. When market not so well or what, when they crash down, then you can look for opportunity lah. Maybe you can just open the chart and you see where's the 200 MAs and 100 MAs. Okay, so this one so far is still in the uptrending. Okay, at the moment they are more suitable for short-term trade, but REITs is not for trading lah. Okay, in my understanding, okay, because the movement is very slow. So you need to wait for something happen, then they have a deep wash down, then you only look for entry. Okay, that would be at least you can get a better price lah. Okay, for DNEX, the sell is still there. Okay, so okay, let me zoom out and see. This DNEX sudah okay, back in May they still got a small run, tapi now already below all moving averages lah. Okay, now by opening the lines, you can see they found a bottom. Okay. This is this year January until April punya support. Okay. So they already at here lah. Okay. Volume point of view, let's zoom in and see. Got improve. Okay, the whole September they do improve sikit-sikit lah. Okay. If compared to previously, you can see here the average volumes boleh tahan. So if speaking about the chances, okay, higher risk, this one higher risk. Okay, got some volume supported. Okay, most importantly, we need to know where to cut loss lah. Okay, 330 would be your last defense. Okay, if they can sideways stay above 330, chances of rebounding is still there. Okay, tapi if they close below 330, cabut lah, must cabut already and not nice already. Okay, so by referring to the previous support, okay, this is a back in beginning of this year, right? So market visit here, then they rebounded up. Okay, this time they revisit here, maybe got chance to rebound up lah. But you can see back in January, okay, January 18 until April. So they already sideways here for about 2 to 3 months. Okay, now they just revisit these counters, this level. So our expectation maybe they might wandering around here for another 1 or 2 or 3 months. Okay, so if you want to try, you need to know your time frame. Maybe you need to hold for 2 to 3 months, and every day you need to see got breakdown or not. Okay, no breakdown, then continue lah. Okay, so this is potential bottom fishing lah. Tapi the success rate I would say not that high lah. HPP, HP. Okay, in liquid counters, okay, usually I will skip these counters lah. Okay, but at least they are still doing uptrending. Okay, so volume point of view boleh tahan recently, okay saja lah the volumes. Okay, if you like these counters, make sure they are above 385. Okay, above 385 should be alright. Cresto. Okay, this counter is still doing uptrending, looking for support resistance. Okay, support is a 440. Resistance 485 can. Okay, support 440, 4 ringgit. Okay, resistance 475, 490. Okay, this one is still in the uptrending lah. Okay, so far still alright. Okay, how our stock market, is it reversal or rebound? Okay, at the moment, what I notice is they do have volume slowly come in already lah. So at least better than the past 2 weeks like that. Okay, the market sentiment. So we also need to see how is the tonight market sentiment now. If okay, then tomorrow should be okay lah. Okay, if tonight US market all okay, I think tomorrow onwards our Bursa should be okay. Okay, and I noticed some of the counters they do have curi ada volume coming. So I guess tentatively the sentiment is still alright. Okay, it's still alright. Okay, not that dead lah. Okay, better than previous 2 weeks Okay, for Edaran, okay, what we can see, yesterday got volume pump out, pump in. Okay, today got a higher volume, try to sell lah. Okay, tapi chances is still there lah. Okay, we can see they already sell down for so many weeks, and volume is getting lesser and lesser. Okay, and yesterday finally got a bullish candle with higher volumes, and today neutral. Okay, today I would say it's more neutral, even though this is a bearish candle. But I would say still neutral. At least we can see today got high volume coming. So for the Edaran, so long they are above 157, okay, I think still alright. Okay, still can CC look. Okay, Mala off we covered already. We go for the IHH. Wow, yesterday with a shooting star, tapi today no confirmation. Continue to go up. Okay, these counters they already break out above 2021 December resistance, which is a 696, and today closing 711. Okay, so this one, you can set a trading stop, maybe 690. Above 690 is still alright. Okay, and resistance, we can use yesterday extreme level, which is somewhere around 725. Okay, would be your immediate resistance. Okay, so how about the what is United? Let me see. I can find any stocks with a United. Okay, let me know the stocks name lah. Okay, how about the Corsan? Oh, Corsan a little bit weak compared to Hata. Hata looks better. Okay, but this one at least 10 on 2 ringgit above 2 ringgit. Maybe they do have chance. Okay, what I worry is they just pump out for the sake of pump out only. Okay, then they want to wash down to fill the gap. Also possible. Okay, so maybe we give them a immediate support is a 2 ringgit. If this level unable to hold, they may come back down to fill the gap. Okay, go back to where they belongs, which is somewhere around 1.8 something. Okay, LHI covered. Okay, Sendai let me see lah. Sendai is still alright lah. I would say 9th of September volume pump out, 10th of September neutral, sideways, diam. Friday, Tuesday at the volume, today neutral. Okay, Sendai, I would say chances is still there. Okay, still at a chance. So long they are above 535, I would say they still at a chance. And they need to break above 590 for further upside. Okay, IJM. IJM not much volume recently. So I would say tentatively they need to go sideways dulu lah. Okay, short term point of view, of course, you can see they are weak short term. Tapi long term they are still in the uptrending lah. So tentatively I see IGM is more on sideways. So long above 279, still alright. Okay, still alright for the IJM. How about the Suncon? Okay, Suncon today breakout. Yesterday breakout also lah. Tapi volume not that much. Okay, it's like a triangle breakout lah. Okay, so far you can see okay lah, above 4 ringgit I think still alright. Okay, and think on the 50 MA resistance 437. Sunway also alright, even though not much volume breakout. Okay, at least they recover above 4 ringgit. Today closing 414. Still okay, still okay. Okay, how about the Dayang? Okay, Dayang recently got a strong sell down back in end of August. Okay, and they found a support. Okay, this is a support back then, March. Okay, which is at 212, 214. Okay, and today closed 220. So they are still struggling, I would say. Okay, because what we can see here, sell down, sideways. Okay, once they break down, they continue sell down. So now it's more on sideways. Okay, if they are unable to hold, they might have another sell down. So now it's still a question mark. Okay, whether they want to go up or not. Okay, if this level unable to hold, maybe I put 210 lah. If 210 unable to hold, I think they will have more sell lah. Okay, because they also below all moving averages. So what I worry is a change of trend. Okay, so if happen they can go up, you take note on 230 and 240 would be your R1, R2. Bobby Bank BBB, okay, still okay lah, Bobby Bank. So take note on 468 as your immediate support. Okay. Yeah, overall I think they are still okay lah. Just the movement a bit boring, and I would put the important support is at 455. Okay, above is still alright. Genting Malaysia. Susah. You can see yesterday even they try to go up, tapi by end of day kena pressure down. Okay, so for Genting, I guess they might go back to 230 or 220 level. Okay, test the bottom. Okay, still weak. Direction for Fajar. Okay, let's see. Still fight-able. Okay, the only thing, okay, my concern is lack of volumes. Okay, you can see the whole September, especially recently, they don't have much volumes. Okay, even though they do bounce up, tapi not much volume to support. So I guess Fajar is still in a sideway. So maybe you take note on today closing 395. Okay, you take note on 355. So long the price above 355 or 375, okay, this zone above this zone okay, still ada chance lah. Okay, tapi if they break down, then memang no good already. Okay, 99 speed mark. Quite new this one. Okay, house speed. Oh yo, okay, still okay lah. Okay, new counters this one. 9th of September, okay, IPO. So after that, actually not much volumes okay. Maybe the hype is over. W take note on the resistance 191, okay, is the resistance. And the support, maybe we can put around 188. Okay, they also like a nice number. Okay, so far 99 speak mark. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candle only. Okay, so they are still in a sideways zone. Okay, first day huge volumes okay, but these few days market is more on sideways. So I guess they might continue sideways until they break above or break below. Okay, break below, of course, maybe they might go back down to 185 or they might wash down. Okay, wash down to IPO cost maybe. And if they happen, they can break out. Maybe they might have another push. Okay, so this one is it's too new for me lah. Okay, technical a little bit difficult to read. Okay, JCY. Still weak. Okay, as you can see, they are still within the downtrending channel. Okay, so maybe take note around 40 cents. See any chances? Okay, so far nothing much I can comment. Okay, ice cream. Es cream not really jalan You see other stocks, other glove counters they gap up a lot Tapi for es cream they only gap up sikit saja Okay, so not many people inside are interested. Okay, today already come back down to fill the gap. Okay, this one tin on 150 lah. Okay, but for me nothing much interesting yet. Okay, so how about the Jaya Tiasa? Neutral. Okay, Jaya Tiasa, they need to go back above 110 baru ada story. Otherwise, I would say not that good lah because they already broke below 200 MAs, resisted by 200 MAs. Okay, for me, not that strong. Okay, how about the AAX? Recently ada pattern rebounding pattern Okay, you can see recently, okay, these 2 to 3 days. Okay, volume improve. Okay, price also push up. Okay, so far so good. Okay, tapi you take note on 200 MAs lah. 156 155p lah 155. Okay, 155 would be your immediate resistance. If even they can go up. This will be their strongest resistance. 164, 170. Okay, this is a resistance for AAX. Okay, how about the Scomnet? Okay, Scomnet doing well. Volume wise, okay saja lah okay saja. Tapi at least they're rebounding lah. Okay, so take note on 140 is your immediate resistance. Okay, if happen they can close above 140 would be good for Scomnet. Okay, this one volume wise actually not that much. Okay, MACD crossover, so okay lah, ada give some chance lah. So take note on 140, your immediate resistance. The Scomnet Theta macam cover already Oops. Okay, this is my trade plan. Cannot see. Okay, Theta this one they for so many days already lah. Right, and the volume also diminishing. Okay, today ada volume pump in. Okay, first day pump in lah. So I guess they do have some opportunity lah. So long they don't. Okay, so long they stay above 163. I would say the chances is still there. And 10 on 210 your immediate resistance. Okay, so this one watchable lah, watchable. Okay, how about the Kobe? I think for me, due to the rebounding, due to oversold lah. Okay, so you can see this is a sell, pull up, sell, pull up. You can see when they pull up, the volume not really follow. Okay, especially these 3 trading days. Okay, Friday, Tuesday, and today, Wednesday. When they pull up, the volume not really follow. So for me, it's not so convinced. Okay, so they may just hit the resistance and continue sell down. So for me, still not that strong. Okay, still not that strong. Okay, how about dialogue? Okay, dialogue, also not that great. Okay, already broke below 200 MAs, broke below 218, today closing 214. So based on this chart, this pattern, I think they might go to 205 or 2 ringgit level. Okay, so still not in a good shape. Okay, Petronas Chemical. Okay, this one, they really touch only, touch 533 and bounce up to 560. And yeah, I guess moving forward, they most likely will go sideways lah. Okay, tapi they are still pressured by the bear. Okay, bear and still pressured by the and still in the sideway. Okay, how about the Penta Master? Okay, Penta Master is still weak. Okay, they rebounded. Okay, due to they come back to July 22 gap. Okay, they come back to fill the gap. So what we can see, okay, recently they bounce up with volumes, retrace with low volumes. So I guess they still want to rebound a little bit higher lah. Okay, but in general, you can see they are still in a sell. So even they bounce up, maybe will go to somewhere around 40 cents. Okay, they are still weak. Okay, they are still weak. Okay, if you are investor, you are planning for some accumulation. Okay, of course, 347 is a good level to KIV lah. Okay, and another is at 3 ringgit level. Okay, I would say even bounce up at the moment, the bounce up won't last that long lah. Okay, how about the WCT? Okay, WCT at least Friday and Tuesday they do recover with volumes. Today low volumes. So this one you can take note on 1 ringgit with your cut loss if they go below 960. Okay, Hatta we covered already. Okay, right, if not mistaken. Yeah, Hatta we covered already, and we go for the Astro. Oh yo. Okay, Astro is still weak lah, still weak. So even previously they attempt to rebound, tapi not so successful lah. So yeah, take note on 230 lor. I would say they are still weak. Okay, still weak. So above 230 still ada chance, tapi overall is still very weak. Okay, next one, Highly. Rebounding, not much volume, so not so convincing. Okay, take note on your overhead resistance, which is somewhere around 395 and 40 cents. This would be your immediate resistance. Okay, for the support, maybe we can put 355 lah. Okay, take note on the resistance here. Okay, so Osman. Okay, let me see. Yours is okay, also thank you for your stars, 50 stars. Okay, so we go for the SP Setia. Sudah ada jalan ke atas ke belum ke? Okay, at the moment, okay, because what we can see, SP Setia, okay, since mid-July or end of July lah, they sudah kena pressure sell. Okay, right? You can see even they bounce up, also not much strength, and kena smash down. So you can see, these few months, the performance for SP Setia is more on the bear momentum. Okay, from here, okay, by zooming in, we can see the sell is already started to slow down. Okay, even though they have sell down here, market able to rebound it, and sideways. Okay, recover back above 200 MAs. So the chances is still there lah. Huh? So I would say based on here, we can see they do have chance to make a comeback. Okay, unless if they break below 117, then not that nice already lah. And last defense 110. Okay, if they break below 110, the overall structure is no longer good looking, and market may continue sell down. Okay, so now we hope, need to hope that they can stay above 117 and above 110. Okay, as long as they can stay above, I think they do have chance to bounce up, maybe to test a 50 or 100 MAs. Okay, so and also MACD got crossover lah to help a little bit. Okay, so how about any chance for CNE? Okay, this one previously I spotted when before 3rd of September. Okay, I spotted these counters back here. Okay, then they do have a breakout lah, breakout with volumes, tapi not so successfully. Market continue drop down. So for me now is at the crucial level, okay, whether to cut loss or not. Okay, 440. Okay, if happen, okay, for me the rebound is consider quite fair already. Okay, consider fair already this rebound. So now is at the last defense 440. Okay, if this level still unable to hold, okay, close below 440. Okay, so any rebound also know already. Okay, what hope also know already. They might continue sell down. Okay, now for me the strength already potong steam lah. Okay, and last hope is 440 lor. If lucky break, then they might have another strong sell down. Okay, so I would say the strength of rebounding, not really already. Okay, Sita Global. WCT we covered lah, we go for Sita Global. Okay, chances is still there. Okay, so far you can see 6th of September until now actually not much volumes. So I also don't know what they want to do lah. So maybe I put 90 cents. Okay, so now today closing price is a 950. So take note on 90 cents. Above 90 cents, they still ada chance for rebounding lah. Below 90 cents, then sorry tak cantik lah. Muhiba. Not much volumes. Okay, this one. And also they break below all moving averages. Okay, break 200 MAs, break 20 MAs. If you're still interested, you can use 80 cents as their last defend. Okay, for me, it's like they sell down already. Okay, they rebound, no strength, kena sell down. Rebound, no strength, kena sell down. So now they are testing 80 cents. If this level fail to hold, break down, I think they might go 750 or 675. Okay, this one turning downtrend already. Not that great. Okay, Sansuria. Okay, Sansuria on the other hand, they made a good comeback. 4th of September, 5th, 6th. Okay, beginning of September, they already have a very good pump. Okay, you can see the pump out almost no sell until today. Today got some small profit taking. So I guess they are still in a good shape. Okay, they might come back down to retest a 535 540 level. But I guess based on the performance, I'm still bullish with them based on this. Okay, MBSB let me see lah. Okay, ever since they break below 80 cents, I already give out on them lah. Okay, so at the moment, if you're still interested, maybe you wait for them to retest a 200 MAs, which is somewhere around 770. Okay, how about the P Metal? Okay, P Metal rebounding. Okay, they rebounded from 450. Okay, volumes diminishing. Okay, when the price go up, the volume goes down lah. Okay, for me it's not so convincing lah. So you take note 5 ringgit and 515 as your immediate resistance zone. Okay, how about the MNRB? Hey, still good Oh, this one Okay, I can't remember when I set the trade plan here lah. Okay, tapi based on here, haven't hit my stop loss and already break out on 236 and approaching the next, or not approaching lah, our next resistance is a 260 level. Okay, so can hold. I think, okay, I cannot say can hold. Okay, I have to say think on 235. Okay, as since they already break out 235 ma, so you take note 235. As long as the price stay above 235, then okay lah. Then you can see maybe 250, 260 as your next resistance. Okay, so overall, based on the volume, momentum, all I guess not too bad. Okay, not too bad. Okay, how about the panda, Kung Fu Panda, or Food Panda, not panda. Okay, so this panda is still weak. Okay, below all moving averages. Okay, MACD cross up. Volume improved sikit on today. Okay, if you interested with this panda, okay, make sure the price stay above 290, then okay. Okay, below 290 memang no good already lah. Can give out lah. Okay, let me see. Still got lah. Still got lah. Care Plus. Macam not that strong Not all growth counters are strong They also just a hype in my opinion. So yesterday hit 200 MAs, unable to go through. Today more on the small profit taking lah. So this one, take note 280 as your immediate support lor. For me, not so convincing lah. Okay, not so convincing. Okay, Bipuri. Okay, I also don't know what they want to do. Okay, today not that strong. Okay, take note on your immediate support 375, 375. Stay above still okay. Kalau if they break below, they might go to 350 lah. Bipuri, Bar West. Wow, they hit my target Bar West. Okay, previously they break out here. Now they already hit 60 cents. Okay, for me, no matter how, this is a place, at least you need to protect a little bit lah. At least take partial also good. Okay, 60 cents, 635 would be your R1, R2. Okay, how about the TM? Telecom. Okay. Oh, sometimes the name. Okay. Okay, Telecom. The trend is still in uptrending. Okay, just recently, okay, you can see lah. Since last year October, they already rally up so much. Okay, now more into sideways zone. Okay, tapi on the mid-term, long-term, they are still in a good shape. Okay, just short-term, maybe they might facing some profit taking, need to go sideways. Okay, just like that. Tapi overall, they are still okay. Infotech. Okay, what I think game over lah. What I think game tentatively is more game over lah. Okay, this one previously they do have a good pump, okay, but they already dump already lah. Okay, and you can see September, okay, end of August, September, the trading volumes is diminishing, okay, or you can say totally no volumes. Okay, the only last hope for these counters are 825. Okay, so long they are above 825, you still can put hope on them lah. Maybe got chance lah. But if they close below 825, then most likely they might continue sell down to 750 or even lower. Okay, tentatively I see not really have people participate in the counters because not much volumes yet. Okay, AAX we covered already, so we go for Padini lah. Padini is still in the downtrend. Uniqlo better lah. Okay, Padini below all moving averages. Okay, The last time they have volume was end of August. Tapi not that strong lah. Okay, if interested, maybe they're still in a downtrend. Okay, 318 is their strong support lah. Cannot break lah. If they break below 318, memang no good. They might go to 3 ringgit or 285. Okay, if happen, they can rebound it up. Okay, Tino on 350. Okay, crucial level lah. Okay, how about the Sunview? Sunview is still in the downtrending. Okay, they only recently they do stabilize lah, 465. Tapi overall Sunview is still very weak. Okay, volume wise, we can see 29, 30 of volumes. 2nd of September, yeah, they do have some volume supported lah. So if you're interested, 465 is a level cannot break lah. Tapi if they can go up, just a rebound only. Okay, for Sunview. Timecom. Timecom so far supported 465. Okay, MACD okay. Okay, I guess they might go sideways lah. Tapi tentatively 465 is a good support. Okay, 465, 455. Okay, cannot break. Stay above. I think they still got hope. Okay, even though they are below all moving averages lah. Okay, for Armada, no good lah. Below all moving averages. Volume wise, tak berapa follow tak berapa support. So support 460. Tapi this one not that great not that great yet. WCT we covered. Okay, so good news is back in Friday and Tuesday they do have volume to pump in. Okay, today a small volume sell down, so for me is still are there chances as long as they don't break below 960 lah. So you can use 1 ringgit as your immediate support. Okay, Kaskapi. Ada volumes. Okay, so let me see what I want to say. Okay, good news is recently got volumes. Okay, what we can see, Kaskapi previously they do pump up. Okay, volume here is still alright. Tapi after July, when they sell down, you can see the volume is diminishing until end of August or the whole September. The volume improve. Okay, so for me, Kaskapi still got some hope lah. At least they are also above 200 MAs. Do they got volume pump in? Okay, even though back in 26 the volume pump in, then they wash down lah. Tapi still alright lah. They come back down to test 230. So this one, I guess, watchable as long as they don't break below 230. Then I think it's quite interesting. Okay, quite interesting. Yeah, can watch lah. Okay, how about WCEHB covered Lagenda. Okay, let's see Lagenda is still below 200 MAs. By zooming in, yeah, today volume improved. Take note on your immediate resistance 133. Okay, 133, 140 would be your R1, R2. Momentum, okay, W discounters. I not really know how to analyze. Okay, I don't know what they want to do. Okay, open gap down, then sideways from May until now. Okay, maybe what I can comment is on the resistance technology 133 and 140. Okay, last one Icon. Not that great already break 118 This one also crossover already. So I guess they might come back down to test a 110 lah. Maybe 110 or 109. Okay, take note 109 and also 106. Okay, I expect they might come back down to test a support lah. Okay, so long they're above 106, then you can continue watch lah. Okay, so last one WCE lah, WCEHB. Okay, as just now mentioned, take note on your resistance. They already approaching the 200 MAs level, and also is here resistant. Okay, previously was a support, turn resistant. now turn into resistance. Okay, to be more conservative, I will use a 850, 875 as your resistance zone. Okay, because this counter is still below 200 MA, so I trade these counters as a rebounding trade only. Okay, unless one day they can break out and stay above, then other story lah. Otherwise, this would be my resistance zone. Okay, so that's all for today. So and also yeah, we look forward and see how is tomorrow US market closing lah. Huh? Tomorrow morning we see though if negative too much like negative 300-400 points, then I think most likely our market also will get affected. Okay, who knows? Okay, we don't know what happened. We also need to wait for later the FOMC. Okay, the Fed rate. Okay, which I also expect will be the same lah. 525. And also the press conference is more important. Okay, I think after 2:30 so means after 3 a.m. they need to talk a lot talk a lot, then see how market digest. And tomorrow morning maybe 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. we wake up, we see how it's going lah. If close bearish, then Bursa most likely not so good lah. If close bullish, then I think the game is on. Okay, so that's all for today, and our next. Okay, we see you on next live session. If and also yeah, thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu S, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have a interactive live chat. For those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. Okay, down negative 500 points. I don't know yet lah. Tomorrow morning we will know. Okay, and yeah, even market have a big sell down. I think it's also good lah. Okay, maybe a good correction, and in long run, okay, cut rate is good for the market. So yeah, hope everyone cut the rate lah. Then we pay lesser loan the the housing loan at least we can pay lesser. Okay, so we got more money into the Bursa market as well. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you on next Monday live session. Okay, thank you everyone, and see ya.